third grade. Welcome to your fluency lesson this morning. Mrs. Thompson here. So we are learning to model division as the unknown factor in multiplication using arrays and tape diagrams. We will be successful when we can solve for two types of division situations, partitive and measurement. All right, so I'll be going over our fluency option 1. This is where we get to use our fluency book today. It's not a sprint, it's a pattern sheet. So we're on lesson 11. It should be page 19. And the fluency book is the one that has the yellow strip at the bottom. Go ahead and get that out. If you need to pause the video to get your materials, you can, and you will need a pencil. Okay, so today the pattern sheet is multiplying by 3. And so we've been skip counting by 3, so we're going to use that strategy to help us out with 5 times 3. So boys and girls, go ahead and take out 5 fingers. All right, so let's skip count by 3s. Are you guys ready? Ready, go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. All right, so we know that 5 times 3 is 15, okay? So let me think for a minute. If I know that 5 times 3 is 15, I wonder if I see 4 times 3, if all I would have to do is skip count backwards. Let's try that out. So I know that this is my 4th finger, so I would go 15, 12. That's the 4th finger. Therefore, 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, boys and girls, so you have 2 minutes again. You're going to work from left to right, and I'll show you what that looks like. Left to right, and try to get as many done as possible in 2 minutes. Now your mark, your pencils ready, and go. Okay, go ahead and stop. I'm going to go over the answers. As I'm going over the answers, circle anything that you got incorrect, and anything that you got correct, you're just going to whisper yes, okay? All right, and we're going to go from left to right. 3, 6, 9, 12. Second row. 15, 3, 6, 3. Third row. 9, 3, 12, 3. Fourth row. 15, 3, 6, 9. Next row. 6, 12, 6, 15. Next row. 6, 3, 6, 9. Next row. 3, 9, 6, 9. Next row. 12, 9, 15, 9. Next row. 12, 3, 12, 6. Next row, 12, 9, 12, 15. Next row, 12, 15, 3, 15. Next row, 6, 15, 9, 15. Next row, 12, 6, 12, 9. Next row, 15, 9, 6, 12. Next row, 9, 15, 6, 12. Awesome work, boys and girls. See you tomorrow.